Fantastic. Thank you so much for letting us in on the extraordinary business plans that Kia has in the pipeline, Mr. Sohn. It is so wonderful and exciting to witness the Kia concept EV9 firsthand at this pavilion. I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm very impressed. Now, let's take a look at what Kia India has planned next in their lineup for the Auto Expo 2023. And brace ourselves for an all-new luxury vehicle, the Kia KA4. Please put your hands together for the leader driving Kia India's growth trajectory, Mr. Hardeep S. Brar, the National Head Sales and Marketing, Kia India.
Thank you, Tanvi. A very warm welcome to all my media friends. Our India journey has been a dream run for any manufacturer entering a new market. Although this journey has had its challenges like the COVID-19 pandemic, semiconductor shortage, and global supply chain crisis, we stayed strong and focused on our goal of winning customers' hearts. Today, in the 4th year of our operation, we are now one of the most loved brands in the country. We grew more than 6-fold from 40,000 customers in 2019 to 2.54 lakh customers in 2022, acquiring 6.7% market share. More than 6.2 lakh customers have put their faith in us for their mobility needs, and many are planning to join us. Among our existing customers, almost 50% preferred vehicles with connected car technology, and 40% of them drove home in automatic. With a higher sales share of top variants of all our products, we can easily say that Kia is one of the most premium brands in the mass market. To add to our premiumness, we started upgrading our dealership facilities to the new brand identity, and in 2023, you will see most of them shifting to this new BI. Not only in India, but we are also expanding our footprints in the global market. In December 2022, we touched 8 lakhs cumulative sales since our start of sales, in which exports contributed to 1.78 lakh units in 95 countries. As a result of this performance today, India is amongst Kia's top 3 countries globally in terms of sales after US and South Korea. All our product interventions, sales and service initiatives with high level of digitization have been truly customer-centric, which made us stand out from the rest. As a company, we understand this responsibility and will forever be committed to fulfilling their unmet and unfelt needs. Today, we are witnessing a revolution of transitioning towards sustainable mobility, and there is no doubt that EVs are the future. However, IC engines have been present for decades and have evolved to meet the various emission norms across the globe. With the RDE norms kicking in, IC technology is set to become even more sophisticated. At Kia, we believe that IC engines and EVs are not rivals, but 2 different technologies to complement each other. Hence, we aim to offer our customers the best of both worlds, IC engines and EVs, so that they do not have lack of choice. Talking about the recreational vehicles, which we call RVs, these include SUVs and MPVs. They are growing in favorability globally, and the trend isn't contradictory in our country too. As per reports, RV contribute to almost 50% of industry sales, and in the next 2 years, it will grow to over 55%. Kia is also committed to establishing RV leadership in the country. The Kia Carnival started the movement, and the Carens has taken it at leaps ahead. In just under 1 year of its launch, 65,000 plus happy families have made the Carens their vehicle of choice. In line with our vision of maintaining RV leadership, we are exploring the possibility of launching some more RVs in the Indian market. As Mr. Mark pointed out earlier, we saw a need gap between the market demand for varied mobility requirements of institutions offering different services, and we decided to enter the PBV business. We are now all set to attract a completely different set of customers by launching PBVs in the country. PBVs need to be highly customizable to meet the intrinsic needs for mobility while focusing on passenger experience, flexibility of use, and cost effectiveness. The Kia Carens will be launched as ambulance, interceptor, and patrol police vehicle. Kia Corporation has a keen focus on the PBVs as we have a first mover advantage in this sector with an aim to become a global leader by 2030. Now moving to something that all of you have been waiting to see, we are showcasing the Kia KA4. The KA4 is a new luxurious and smart recreational vehicle from Kia. Overall, the Kia KA4 has a bold UV stance and completely redefined exteriors, giving it a commanding road presence. The vehicle's interior is another piece of art from our California design studio, which has also built global award-winning vehicles like Telluride and the 2021 Sorento SUV. The Kia KA4 demonstrates true innovation in cargo and passenger space and seating layouts. The vehicle hosts best-in-class passenger and cargo room, including Slide Flex second row seating and VIP lounge seating. The vehicle also hosts a comprehensive list of ADAS features, including remote smart parking assist, lane following assist, forward collision avoidance assist, and blind spot avoidance assist, to name a few. In addition, the vehicle is offered with dual sunroof, 12.3 inches AV&T, wireless smart charging, and multi-Bluetooth connectivity. One of the most innovative features of the Kia KA4 host is the rear occupant alert. With the help of ultrasonic waves, the vehicle can detect a kid's or a pet's movement in the back after the door has been locked. Coupled with advanced driving dynamics, the Kia KA4 embodies an exceptional combination of design, capability, safety, and luxury. So without further delay, let's welcome the Kia KA4 on stage.
Well, that was really something. Many thanks, Mr. Brar, for introducing us to the Kia KA4. Now we can safely claim that we have practically seen a glimpse of the future of ultimate luxury driving experience. I'd like to now invite Mr. Park, Mr. Sohn, and Mr. Brar on stage for a photo opportunity. Gentlemen, please pose with the Kia Concept EV9. towards the Kia KA4. I would now like to request you to come to the center so we can capture both these beauties together. Thank you, gentlemen. Once again, Kia has proven to be a game changer in the global landscape of automobiles. Combining green, clean, and safe technologies with luxury, emotions, and thoughtfulness is unique indeed. And that clearly defines a movement that inspires. A big thank you to all our